Hello guys, this is the Frank United FX. These are normal uh, Elliott wave analysis for weekly outlook to see what the currency pairs are doing. Disclaimer here, this video is for purpose of analysis, not an direct signal or direct entry or a direct financial advice. But remember that forex trading is a risk and not for everybody. So if you want to gain more on direct entry or how you may enter the sell, how you may enter the buy, you will join our Telegram channel where I share confirmation levels and stop loss levels where you can enter and trade your currency pairs. So without wasting much of time, let us start with silver. Okay, throughout this week, I was expecting silver to come to this level before another drop, but it has been moving so sluggishly, and that quickly confirms the presence of correction. So see what I've done is done 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You broke this first trend line, broke the second trend line, and it's coming to expect it to come inside of this place or at the touch of this place. So, but I have not reached here. So we're looking forward to seeing a sell setup here and sell silver to the minimum. That is all for silver. So talking about gold. So gold pair, I was expecting gold to reverse from this belly box, but gold insists on going up, even though you have broke the trend line below. So what did I expect? I think there is going to be a complex correction in gold. It may come up a complex correction in the sense it may be a triangle, something like this. It may come up, um, it may come up a little bit. What is happening to this thing now? It may come up a little bit up, then reverse again, reverse again, reverse again before a bullish. That is, if you look at it, it will be a triangular setup, a triangle setup. So that is what I expected that may happen. So this 4 may be a triangle. Instead of doing a zigzag, it may be a triangle, or it may be an expanded flat in the sense that it may go up straight to here and still reverse back to here. It becomes an expanded flat. Go up and break the up and then come and reverse here. So it becomes an expanded flat. So any which one is going to be a complex one. So we'll be looking and monitoring it and discovering what it's doing until you find out what it's doing, then we can confidently trade good. That is all for good. DSY or DSY have come to a position. Remember this video, impulse, correction, and impulse. And the first impulse has completed. The correction has completed. The big correction, that is this one here, has completed. You can see the box. When you go down to daily chart, you see that you already entered the box and reversed. And counting the wave, starting from here, you can see wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So I won't be advising anybody to buy DSY from here. Rather, we're monitoring to find out a sell setup there where we can sell. That is all for dollar in this. So this is Euro US dollar. So I told you earlier before looking at the weekly chart, discover where I mentioned it. Now this is wave 1 and this is A, B, and it's coming to C. If you are following my videos starting from September, yeah, October, I've been saying about this audio. So right now, we can no longer sell this pair. Why? Because we have come to our point of interest. I saw the last one here. You can see the where you go down. You can see it here. This is the last one we sold, and we'll make profit from it. That's one is what I will make profit from. You can see the speed. It went back with the speed. So I'm not expecting it to fall further. I'm looking up for a buy setup. So once I get a buy setup there, then we are buying it, and it's going to be a very sweet buy because it has a lot to go. And it's up for US dollar. Great with 10 US dollar. I told you the other day that this pair I expected it to come down to here to do an expanding flat. But looking at what is happening, and dollar is likely to lose strength at the moment in time. So the dollar is likely to lose strength and it's coming starting from December or ending of this month. So this expanding flat may not come. What we might find out is it may going to reverse from here and continue going, and it will become running flat. So it becomes a running flat. So I feel a running flat on this fair. But once here is taken out, when this trend line is taken out here and coming in, then I expand this expanding flat. But I don't see it coming again. Why? Because dollar might be weakening at any point in time. That is for Great Britain, US dollars. So let's move on. At the same time. Okay, this is Australian dollar. We expected it to break this below and come down even here before a buy. But looking at it, the way it's coming, it looks like an ending diagonal. When you go down to 4 hours, you can see what I'm talking about. Look at it. So this is one, this is two, this is three, this is one, this is one. So that is what we may see. I wanted to come up here before a drop, something like this, ready to come like this, then dropped. But it looked like that this pair is going to do like this, or it's going to reverse from here and started going up. Started going up. So any which one, we'll be looking out to find out by next week. We find out, and every detail will be dropped in our Telegram channel. So the same goes here. This one already break the trend line and it's trading below. So looking at it, I expect it to end this very price, but it might not come to that. It might end here. It may end here and then reverse. So any which one, it might end here and then reverse. So but I expect it to come to this place. So we'll be looking at it and see what it might do. Okay, this is an US Swiss francs, and well, I'm looking forward to say a sell setup because it's a downtrend. It's a downtrend. Look at the trend line, it's a down. So I see this as a correction. This is an A, this is a B, and this is a C. So I see it's a correction. So I'm looking at the final wave I've already completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm looking for a sell from that place down. This is this is this is in New Zealand, Japanese yen. Okay, this is not Japanese yen. I expected the up move before, but looking at what is market, I saw the up move like this before a drop. But looking at what market is up to, he has broken through this trend line. And let's check the weekly time frame. Let's see what the candlestick of the week is saying. If we look at the weekly time frame, you can see a three rejection bars 1, 2, 3. a three rejection bar. So there's a possibility that is not going to come up again. You may see a little bit correction by next week and a very huge drop. What we may see next week is just a little bit correction and a very huge drop. So anticipate for sale next week. Don't think of buying, just looking for the sell. Same, same goes here. AUD, Japanese yen. You can see the rejection bar, the first rejection bar, the second week rejection bar, a third week rejection bar. The two bars are rejected. But if you go down to daily time frame, you discover that this AUD is still in trend line. So there's a possibility of him coming up to here, this green line before a sell. When we look at this A, B, C, and he have broke through the B, and he have dropped here like correction. So I expected this guy to come up, AUD Japanese to come up before a sell. Yes, Japanese, US dollar Japanese yen. A one more push up is needed. Can look at see it here. Can see the rejection bars. Can see the rejection bullish rejection bar here and here. So one more push is needed to this very point before a drop. Japanese yen. Great Britain, Japanese yen. So looking at the Great Britain, Japanese yen, yeah, we looking at it, we discover that as it's not going to be up move. I don't see up move again. What I see is now is this is one. This is what is happening? Wait, I don't know. This is Y5. This is 4. This is 3. This is this one. This is 2. You can see that this is a diagonal. And you are broken to this line. So what do I expect? I expect a correction. You can see a rejection bar there and daily rejection bar. So there may be a correction. There will be a correction by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The correction may come here, come this very point for a drop will come. For a drop will come. Correction up and a drop. That is all for Great Britain Japanese yen. Okay, the same goes here. You can see that you have broken the confirmation line. So you have totally confirmed that I'm selling. So he was telling us now, I'm ready to sell. I'm ready to sell. So, and we're ready to sell you. We're ready to sell it also. So you have confirmed the sell. So what am I expecting? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm expecting a correction because you can see the correction here and a drop. You can see the decision bar. There's a correction must come up here for a drop. So that's how I'm expecting in this guy. Okay, this is Great Britain, Canada. Great Britain, Canada. Looking at it, I expected it to drop at this very place before, and it dropped and pulled back. And I was thinking that this correction is over, but when the fact I could know it, yeah, broke through the line and came to this very place. So, what am I expecting? A reversal, a bullish move, because this is going to be a fourth wave. You can see alternative. This is alternative. Let me embody it. It's difficult for this thing. So you're going to see that you're going to touch here and you have already come to that place. So what I'm expecting is now buying. So I'm looking for buy setup on Great Britain, Canada. Euro Canada. Euro Canada. Before I thought I was going to drop this very junction, this very point, but the market decided to pull down. So I look at it. and I discovered that this is an uh, expanded flat. This is the wave one. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Let's look at it in the time frame. You can see it clearly. Look at it. This is one, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So what I'm looking for a buy setup. Then I'll buy the wave three. Okay, this is on crude oil. This is crude oil. Before now, I expected crude oil to drop from this place when it was here trying to pull back, pull back, pull back. So that it to drop here and I make my profit. Even in my buy limit here, I have to close it because the way it broke through this trending line, I suspected that it's going to come up more. It's going to correct a little bit and then come up to this trending line. So if you're selling crude oil, then you know that your inflation line will be here. The trending line is here. So you may see it coming up to this very point before a sell. Okay, Nasdaq, US 100, and NAS 100. Well, I expected the NAS to give me a deep correction before I can buy. Because looking at it, the wave 3, the wave B is looking so bullish, but I know that is the wave B because looking at the movement, it's sluggish movement. So I expected it to drop below here to entertain me this C before I can confidently buy it for a new height and a new level. Same goes here. US 30 in this. The Jones or US 30 in this. Okay, he has confirmed. He has been confirmed bullish. He move here, corrected 50%, and moving again. So by next week, we'll do for correction. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So we're going to see a fourth wave from here, then another bullish. So here he has broken to this trend. He has broken this very place. They have been confirmed bullish. This place is a confirmation point and you are taking it out. So what I'm looking for a correction, whether deeper correction or shallow correction, then I'll buy it and make my profit. And this is how you start. Bitcoin, of course, you know that Bitcoin is bullish already. When I was thinking it like song that when it was here, and everybody want to invest, invest now because very soon Bitcoin will fly. Although I expected a correction in Bitcoin at 100 level. When Bitcoin get 100 level, you may see a correction before another continuation. You see a correction before another continuation. So I expected a correction in Bitcoin in 100 level. Solana, Solana on the move also. Solana touched the previous high, which is here, and it's going to break it and make new high. This is the previous high of Solana. So I expect Solana to make new high. And that new high probably will be 500. So I'm holding Solana. I will sell it at 500. It's when I get 500, I'm going to sell my Solana. This is the new high I want it to make. US dollar card. Looking at US dollar card, you can discover that US dollar card is going up. It can stay so much long here. This is an triangle. A, B, C, D, E. It has stayed so much, almost a year plus in this triangle. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a correction which already started. Once that correction is finished, I will be buying it. And that buy is going to be huge. Going to be a huge buy. Look at it, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the correction is coming. When the correction is over, we will buy and hold for a bigger chances. That is all for this guy. Okay, maybe this one. This was supposed to sell. This was supposed to sell. But they are still playing mantis. Okay, this is hero Australian dollar. So I expected it to drop and it has started dropping from last 2 weeks. It started dropping this week, it's already dropping again. So we may see a correction towards the before another drop will come. So but it must drop to that point. Is my point before I can start thinking of buying it to this level. When you look at this triangular form, this is B, this is C, this is D, and E is coming. So we still have a long way. The same goes to his neighboring country, New Zealand. Looking at it, we see that is a correction is needed. Correction is needed to this very point before we can start buying to the upper side to complete the wave C here. So correction is needed here before a buy. I told you about this guy a very long time. I've been analyzing this guy. Great Britain or Australia. So a big sell is coming. But you're going to expect a pullback. You're going to be a pullback before a deeper sell. Going to be a pullback before a deeper sell. This is A, this is B, and C is coming. Look at it clearly. This A, this is B. I'm waiting for C. Sorry, this is B, and this is A. A, B, C. That's what I'm waiting for. For this guy, Australian dollar. Okay, New Zealand dollar. So another correction also here, a running flat or deep down here, expanding flat. So either a running here, here is a running, and here is expanding. So anyone, so there is going to be a drop. So we're looking for our sell setups to drop it down. German 30. Okay, German 30. Yeah, that is DEX in this. Where I entered today, and I'm very happy. You can see that in my chart. Look at it here. Where I entered it. See my entry. I already moved my stop loss to break even. So I'm holding it almost $73. So that is a very good trade. I did the analysis this Friday with crude oil. The video is on my Telegram channel. You can watch the video and get some knowledge. So what am I expecting here again? I'm looking forward to find another opportunity to buy. So what I will do is to wait once this trend line is broken. When the trend line is broken, then I'll look for opportunity to buy. If I see a correction, if the correction come, I will buy to this very point. This 100% is where I'm targeting that 20,117. That is our target. Okay, this is Canada, Japanese yen. Looking at it, I think I still have one more move up. So I have to take one more move up before I can confidently sell. So once this place is taken out, then confirm the move, then you can buy it to that very point. Even this very point should be the reversal point. Once that is touched here, then that is end for this guy. So guys, remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to give us a like in this video, and also remember to share this video. Join our Telegram channel where you will see the breakdown of these pairs, the confirmation lines, the stop loss, and the rest of them, so that you can know when and how to take your journey. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.